All right, people. I believe everybody is doing great, nice, and absolutely fine. Now we have got only 5 months. Okay. And people are very serious. NEET aspirants, everybody is saying, sir, I need to get 170 plus when it comes to the subject physics. Sir, is it possible for me to get 170 plus if I start now? Because we have got only 5 months left. And my dear NEET aspirants, we have got 5 months. Okay. Lot of NEET aspirants are depressed at this point of time. Sir, how am I supposed to do it? How should I do it? Please help me at this point of time. So in this particular video, I will be sharing a realistic plan with you, okay, which you can actually implement, by which you can get the maximum results in your NEET examination. That is for sure. So I would want you guys to listen to me very carefully and make sure you smash the like button and you share it with your friends also. Okay. So a lot of my previous year students have followed this. So I would want you guys to follow the same. And in the upcoming 5 months, I'll be telling you the complete proper plan. Okay. You don't have to do, but make sure everybody of you starts from tomorrow. I would say not from tomorrow, from right now itself. Okay. You have to start it. Then I would say it is achievable. How can you achieve this? I will be telling you. Now, guys, listen to me very carefully. Let's assume that at this point of time you are getting only 20 marks. Right now you are getting only 20 marks or less than 20 marks. And in the upcoming 2 months, your target has to be, I would say, 80 marks. You have to score 80 marks. Sir, is it possible for me to score 80 marks in the upcoming 2 months? Yes. You can pick easy chapters. You can pick, I would say, high weightage chapters. By that, you can achieve 80 plus marks. That's for sure in the upcoming 2 months. And while in the starting, it is very easy to achieve the marks. But as you keep on moving forward, you will get to see a lot of difficult portion. You will get to see a lot of difficult problems. Okay. So then it is getting difficult for you to achieve the marks. So that's why I am saying while in starting in the first 2 months, it is achievable. So you have to make the target that is 80 plus marks. So now if there is a NEET aspirant saying, sir, I'll go directly to 170, it is not possible. So achieve this first so that you can reach 100 marks. And then, my dear NEET aspirants, I would say in the third month, your target has to be 25 plus marks. Okay. So, sir, can I achieve this 25 plus marks? Yes. In the first 2 months, 80 marks. So that means 40 marks you guys are supposed to cover in 1 month. And in the third month, only 25 marks. Because I told you it will be difficult for you as you keep moving in your preparation, as you keep moving forward, it will be difficult for you to achieve the marks. That's why I have kept only 25 marks. Then you will be reaching 125. Sir, how can I achieve this? That also I'll be sharing in this particular video. Then, my dear NEET aspirants, in the fourth month, you guys are supposed to gain 25 marks. Then means you will be reaching 150 marks. And then, my dear friends, we say in the fifth month, you will have to achieve 20 marks. In the fifth month, it will be very, very difficult for you to achieve these 20 marks because these 20 marks will be basically in after achieving these 20 marks, you'll have to go through a lot of difficult problems, pure conceptual understanding, each and every single thing. Then only you would be able to achieve 170 marks. Okay, this is the first thing. That is achieving the marks. You have to basically follow this plan. Let's talk about the difficulty level. Let's talk about the difficulty level when it comes to the physics subject. See, guys, NEET 2021, I would say it was moderate. Okay, it was moderate. 62% was moderate. Only 14% was tough, and 24% was, I would say, easy. When it comes to the NEET 2022, in NEET 2022, we say 61% moderate. Okay, sorry, 61% easy, 29% moderate, and 10% difficult. When it comes to the NEET 2023, it was easy. Okay, 58% easy, 38% moderate, and only 4% tough. And my dear NEET aspirants, NEET 2024, 50% easy, 42% moderate, and 8% tough. When it comes to the NEET 2025, let me just tell you, you see over here 33% was tough. And you guys know that in NEET 2025, it was the physics paper which changed the entire scenario, which changed the entire game. So, my dear NEET aspirants, you see 33% was tough. And what about NEET 2026? I am telling you guys, we are expecting the same thing in the NEET 2026, because I have been telling you again and again, examiner can only mess with you in just one subject, that is physics, no other subject. He can come up with 2 3 concepts and mix them and put a problem in front of you. That's why we say NEET 2026, you guys are going to expect the same. You guys are going to expect the same. Now, what is the plan? What is the plan? Listen to me very carefully. When it comes to the syllabus completion, you guys are supposed to complete your syllabus by ending February. Okay? Okay? And along with the 15 years of previous year questions, this must be done. This must be done. Okay? And then, my dear NEET aspirants, I would say, because once you complete your syllabus by end of February, then I am expecting that you will get a good amount of time for the revisions, because revision is also important. Mock tests are also important. So right now, I would say, and from 1st March to 15th of April, you guys are supposed to do the detailed and full syllabus revision. Okay? Yes. And then, my dear friends, I would say from 15th April to 1st May, you guys are supposed to go for the mock tests. Okay? I would say 10 to 15 full length mock tests. And make sure once you give the mock test, you guys are supposed to do the analysis also. Let's suppose if you are scoring less in a particular mock test, in some topic you couldn't solve the questions, you will have to figure that out. You will have to check, why couldn't you solve the questions from that particular portion? What was the reason for that? Okay, you'll have to do the proper analysis, my dear NEET aspirants, in that particular case. Okay. Okay. And then, my dear NEET aspirants, let's take a look. Let's take a look over here. When it comes to the, we say topic wise analysis. Okay. Okay. Because I am going to tell you in this particular video also, that is which chapters you guys are supposed to prioritize, how you guys are supposed to do that. If you take a look over here, NEET 2023, you see over here modern and electronics. Okay, this is modern physics, optics, electrodynamics like electrostatics, magnetism, SHM waves, thermal physics, and mechanics. You see mechanics 32%. Okay, entire mechanics. And you see modern physics 16%. You see this electrodynamics, that is electrostatics, EMI, you say magnetism, magnetic effects of current, we say 36%. 36%. Okay. And then, my dear NEET aspirants, you see in 2024, electrodynamics 34%. Okay. And mechanics 30%. Okay. And now you see the NEET 2022. And when it comes to the NEET 2025, 36% of mechanics and 27% of electrodynamics and 15% of modern physics. Now, my dear friends, if you focus on these three, you will get a good score. You are able to score good when it comes to your examination. So you, in the first 2 months, you were supposed to score 80 marks. So why can't you take the chapters from this portion, and this portion? Even I would say from the electrostatics portion, I would say 5 questions come every single month, every single year. And current electricity portion, 5 questions. Magnetism, 3 to 4 questions. Okay. Now pick this one. Okay. And similarly from mechanics, you will go for kinematics, laws of motion. You'll get a good amount of questions over there also. And modern physics, extremely easy. Just 3 chapters. Semiconductor, you have got dual nature of matter and radiations, you have got atoms and nuclei, and you would be able to achieve, I would say, 15%. Okay. So this is how you guys are supposed to plan. And now if you ask me, sir, what am I supposed to follow in this one? I would say go for the marathons. Okay. So marathons are right now going. That is game of NEET, I would say 3.0. Game of NEET 3.0. And previously in game of NEET, I would say 2.0, I have completed the class 12th portion. You can go with that. Okay. And then, my dear NEET aspirants, in this particular case, you can revise the notes. You are supposed to revise the notes also. So marathons, revise notes, and question practice. Okay. Make sure while you do this with the marathons, after that, you will have to take the notes and make sure you do the revision of the notes. And question practice. Question practice means modules plus previous year questions. Very, very important. Okay. Now the target based study, which chapters are you guys to go with? Go with the basic maths and vectors. Okay. And how much time you guys are supposed to give it? I would say 3 days, give the basic mathematics and vectors. Units and dimensions, extremely important chapter. I would say take 3 days for this. Modern physics takes 10 days. Even you would be able to achieve 10 questions from the modern physics if you do it. Okay. And from units and dimensions, I would say 3 to 4 questions. Because in the past years, we have seen that from units and dimensions, 3 to 4 questions have been coming continuously. KTG and thermodynamics, I would say 4 questions. Kinematics, Newton's laws of motion, work, power, and energy, go with this. That is 12 days. This was 4 days. This take 12 days for this. Current electricity, 3 days. 5 questions you can expect from current electricity. Magnetism, take 5 days. Geometrical optics, okay, take 4 days. Center of mass, momentum, I would say take 12 days. Center of mass, momentum, collisions, rotational motion, everything you consider it over here. Okay. And I would say electrostatics. Electrostatics, take 4 days. Take 4 days in this one. Okay. So this has to be your plan, my dear friends. So main and important point that I told you is in the first 2 months, your target score must be 80. In the third month, your target score must be 25. In the fourth month, your target score must be, I would say, 25. In the fifth month, it should be, I would say, 20. Okay. And then, my dear NEET aspirants, this has to be the plan. Okay. By ending February, syllabus completion. 1st March to 15 March, detailed and we say full syllabus, I would say revision. And then you will have to go for the mock test. This is the plan which you guys are supposed to follow. Make sure you smash the like button and you share it with your friends also. Thank you so much. Take care and bye-bye. And everybody of you, I would want you guys to smash the like button as soon as possible. Okay. Thank you so much. Take care and bye-bye.